Imagine entering a reality where everyone possesses the extraordinary ability to read minds. Can you envision it? No secrets left to keep, no hidden thoughts or feelings lurking beneath the surface. Every idea, every emotion laid bare for all to see. How would this monumental change reshape our connections with one another? Picture the impact on trust. Each day, trust would be put to the test like never before. Friends could easily become enemies with just one unguarded thought slipping out. Consider a scenario where a friend thinks of a betrayal during a moment of frustration. Suddenly, that fleeting thought becomes a weapon, shattering years of friendship in an instant. The tension in every interaction would be palpable. Conversations would be fraught with the fear of what might be revealed. Now, shift your focus to the workplace. Imagine a corporate environment where every hidden agenda is exposed. Colleagues would instantly discern who is genuinely reliable and who might be scheming behind closed doors. This kind of transparency could pave the way for unparalleled collaboration. Teams could work seamlessly together, knowing they are all on the same page. However, it could just as easily descend into chaos. Picture a scenario where one employee thinks about sabotaging a project. Suddenly, that thought is out in the open, creating distrust and paranoia among coworkers. The line between honesty and harshness would blur, making every interaction a potential minefield. Let's explore the realm of love and relationships. Can you truly nurture a deep bond with someone if you are acutely aware of every doubt, every insecurity, and every fleeting negative thought they harbor? Imagine the thrill of romance being overshadowed by the constant awareness of each other's vulnerabilities. What if a partner's mind revealed doubts about the relationship during a romantic dinner? The moment would be tainted, and the magic of connection could fade. The excitement of falling in love could transform into an uncomfortable scrutiny of each other's thoughts, leaving little room for the mystery that often fuels passion. Now, consider the implications for crime and safety. Envision a world where criminals struggle to conceal their true intentions. Would this newfound ability lead to a safer society? Picture a thief who can't hide their plans. Would potential criminals think twice before acting, knowing their thoughts are open for everyone to see? Or would this create a society gripped by fear? Imagine people living in constant anxiety, worrying about what others might think or know about them. The streets could become silent, with individuals afraid to express themselves for fear of judgment. Then there's the critical issue of privacy. The sanctity of one's mind would vanish. Would people begin to censor their thoughts? Imagine a world where individuals wear polite smiles, but inside, they're battling emotional storms. Society could transform into a facade where everyone appears agreeable, yet turmoil brews beneath the surface. The complexity of human connection would be challenged as individuals navigate the treacherous waters of open thoughts. This thought experiment invites us to explore a myriad of questions about the nature of human interaction. It compels us to confront the fragile balance between freedom of thought and the potential for manipulation. It pushes us to reconsider trust and the very essence of what it means to be human. So what if everyone could read minds? Would we celebrate it as a remarkable gift, or would it ultimately reveal itself as a profound curse, unraveling the fabric of our relationships and society?